Hello everyone, Dan Rice here of the MS Edge, and look, it's finally arrived. They have finally delivered it. It is a Lumia 950 XL from Microsoft in a rather big box. As you'd expect, it's the XL, but yeah, I'm super excited. This is the first proper Microsoft handset I've ever bought as well, or Microsoft branded handset. So, pretty standard packaging now, to be fair, for the Lumias, the new Lumias. But there's not really much information on the back there that we don't already know. It's made by Microsoft. It runs Windows. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon. It's an 810 in this one, with liquid cooling, of course. And we have the Zeiss lens, the Zeiss camera lens. Anyway, let's just open up this bad boy. There we go. It's quite, to be honest, the box is very sturdy. It's very, sort of reminds me a little bit of the Surface ones as well, but there we have it. So we have the phone there. Just gonna pull this out. Very, very good. Oh, I like that. Right, screw it, I'm not messing around. I'm going to take this goddamn back off of it. There we go. I think the dog's more interested in the back of it than the actual phone, which is good. Just quickly as well go over what else goes in the box. Product safety info, which nobody's really interested in. And this is the good stuff right here. So we have, obviously, the new Lumias run USB Type-C for charging and data purposes, data transfer purposes. So we have a standalone cable that you can hook up to your PC if you want to transfer anything. And we have just a charging cable. This is just specifically for charging. You can't actually detach the cable at all. It is completely hardwired in there. So quite nice that they've chucked a couple of cables in there. I think that's really good. But yeah. But that's pretty much all you're getting in the box. I'm just wondering if that's got has that got the battery in already? It actually has. There we go. Microsoft. How about that? That's really nice. So, I'm just going to quickly boot it up. Obviously, go through the setup process, get everything installing, and then I'll be back with a very quick impressions and just going over the device in general.